Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to make avocado oil, cold pressed avocado oil, and it's not that hard. So here we go. I got my avocados from the store, and here I got 20, and we are going to see how much oil 20 medium-sized avocado can produce. Please stay tuned to see for yourself and see how cold pressed avocado oil is made. And if you like this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So because they are not ripe, I'm gonna keep it warm to make it ripe, cover it up and keep it for a few days. So this is how it's gonna stay warm and ripen up. After a few days it was ripe, and you have to be sure that it's very ripe and it's soft, so much so that when you press it you feel it on the avocado. Here the avocado is fully ripe, and I'm gonna remove the labels and wash it and start prepping it for the oil. So after washing, you cut the avocado open. Look at it, very ripe and soft. Be sure to keep your pan dry because we are making oil. Oil and water don't mix. So I dried the pan, and I also dried up the avocado too because I forgot to do that. So I dried up the avocado so that there will be no water in the avocado oil. So please dry up your avocado with a clean cloth or a paper towel. So after I dried up everything, I started taking out the seeds and removing the flesh of the avocado into the pan. And I'm going to continue doing it until I'm done with all the avocados. I hope you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. We are done with removing the flesh from the avocado. So I'm going to be using this tool. I normally use it to mash potatoes. I'm going to be using it to mash the avocado, and I use wooden spatula to also scrape the side of the pan and to make sure that everything is well taken care of and well mashed so that we can make the oil from it. So after I was done with mashing the avocado, I spread it in the pan because we are doing cold press method, so it's gonna be here until it dries off. And this was the finished result. So this is another method. Some people use avocado back and the seed to extract avocado oil. So here you can use any vegetable oil of your choice and extract the oil from it. So that's the extraction method. So 3 hours later, this was the avocado. It's beginning to change color. And we all know that if you leave avocado open, it will change color. So you keep on mixing it. Just keep turning it and leaving it for it to dry. And that's how you get the cold press. No heat required. Just turn it, leave it alone, come back to do it. And this was the next day. Is becoming darker and darker as it's drying up. So you keep turning it, turn it and leave it, allow it to dry. So that is the process. Just turn it and leave it alone. So to make the drying process quicker, I'm going to share the avocado into another pan just to make it quicker, and you'll see that helped a whole lot. So I have shared the avocado now, and I will still leave it there and stir it when the top part is dried up. This was the third day, and the avocado is doing pretty well. And like I said, you keep mixing it. That's how it's gonna dry, and you just leave it for it to do its thing. It's the day 4. Look at it. The oil is beginning to come out, and I just turn it and allow it to dry properly, and we are getting closer to getting the oil. I hope you like this video, and if you are watching to this point, thank you so much. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you so much for your support. So at this point, I noticed that the one on this particular pan was a little bit wet, so I turned it into the flat pan to help it to dry faster. This is it. This is the final look. The oil is bubbling under this dried avocado flesh. So I'm gonna strain it with this cup and a cheesecloth. So here I'm putting in the cheesecloth, and here we go, putting in the avocado to squeeze out the oil from it. Thank you so much if you're still watching the video up to this point. I sincerely appreciate your support. Please give this video a like, subscribe to my channel. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. Is it something you would like to try? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. So here I'm using my hands to squeeze out the avocado oil, and it was heavy. This is 20 avocado, guys. So I was doing a pretty good job, but at the point I shared it into two. I squeezed out the first one so that I can get a lot of oil out of it, and this was the second one, and this is the result. This is the avocado flesh after squeezing out the oil. This is the oil. So this is pure cold pressed avocado oil, and the residue was used as a fertilizer, and I'm gonna turn it into this bottle. And if you're wondering what are the benefits of avocado oil, avocado oil is good for your hair. It is heart healthy. It is good for consumption, that is when cooking with it. It is good for your skin. It has anti-inflammatory properties, and it is a good source of vitamin E. So here is the final result. This is the avocado oil made from avocado. You can use this for yourself and for your family. So that's how to make avocado oil. And if you're wondering how to use avocado butter to make hair moisturizer that supports healthy hair, I encourage you to watch this video right here. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.